Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to minimize YouTube on Android. So if you want to minimize YouTube on your Android application while using the YouTube app, then let me show you all you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the U button at the bottom right. Once you click on that, locate and click on the settings icon at the top right. Under settings, scroll down, locate and click on playback. Under playback, locate and turn on picture in picture. Tapping home button while watching continue playback in a miniature player on top of other apps. So turn this on. Now you want to close the YouTube application. Go ahead and open the YouTube application again and then search for the YouTube video you want to watch. So just go ahead and search for the YouTube video you want to watch in a minimized mode of your Android phone. Then click on it to play it. While the video is playing, just tap on the home button, and if you use swipe gestures, just swipe up like this, and then it should say the YouTube application minimize the video and the playback continues on your home screen. And that's it. So that is basically how to minimize YouTube on Android. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.